Hello, dear children. Do you all know the meaning of diversity? If not, then come, let's read this story and find out the meaning. Through this story, you will be able to understand what this word means. So let's start. The name of the story is Hey Mom, What is Diversity? By T. Albert, illustrated by myillustrations.com. How was school? Sally's mom asked.
It was fine,
She said with a big smile.
but my teacher, Miss Talbot, started talking about something I didn't understand. She called it diversity. Hey Mom, what is diversity?
Sally, let me get you a snack and I will explain what it really means.
Okay Mom.
I have red hair, you have strawberry blonde hair, and your dad has no hair. Sally laughed at the way her mother said no hair. Everyone's hair is different. Different colors, styles, lengths. It can be straight, curly, or in between. And sometimes it's not even there. You are a girl and your little brother is a boy. You are both human but different. I am old and you are young. We are different ages. Your friend Jalen lives with her sister and father, and her mother lives in another state. They are a family just like us, but there are differences. You have a brother and she has a sister. You both have a father and mother at home. She only has a father. We live in a house and Jalen lives in an apartment. They are both places to live, but they are different. You like the color purple and your brother likes the color red. You both have a special color, but the colors are different. You like soccer and your brother likes baseball. You both like sports, but the sports are different.
Hey Mom, I understood.
Sally shouted.
Even though things are the same, they are different. And that is diversity. I like being different. I can't imagine everyone and everything being the same. The end.
I hope, children, you all understood the meaning of diversity very nicely. If you like the story, do share it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button. We'll be back with another story soon. Until then, bye bye.